How to install Windows 11 without internet connection. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing or being stuck on your Windows 11 installation without internet connection, here's what you need to do. So this is the screen you should be getting when you try to connect to your internet connection. So here's what you need to do. So first, just type in the Shift and F10 on your keyboard. Hit the combination of those two keys, which will open up obvious CMD as an administrator directly onto your PC. So let me just quickly do that. So once you're inside here, just type in the following keyword, which I will be showing you, that is oobe/bypass. So once you type in the following on your command prompt, just like that, hit the enter button on your keyboard, and it should just help you to bypass this internet connection option during the installation process. So once you do all of that, and then you shall be heading over to this screen where you can simply press on this I don't have the internet connection right now, and simply select the continue with limited setup and follow the on-screen instruction, and you shall be done. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.